In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can mute a YouTube video on your Android phone. Okay, so there's mainly two ways that you can actually do this. Okay, so for an example, if I just find a video and I tap on it right now. So let me find a video real quick. That's not music. Okay, let me just tap on this. If I tap on this video,
which is on
you can
Battersea High
hear the
Street.
sound is playing. So one of the ways to mute that is to just hit your volume button on your phone to lower the volume so the sound isn't playing anymore. Okay, so that's one way to do it. And then another way is if you hop out of the actual YouTube app and then go onto YouTube in your Chrome browser or any browser, what you can do is let me put the sound on back up so you can see that this works. So the volume is back up. Then just hit the three vertical dots at the top right hand corner, and then you want to tap on settings. Once you're on settings, you want to scroll down until you find the site settings option, which is right over here. So tap on site settings and then just scroll down, and then you're looking for the sound option, which is right here. So tap on this option, which is sound, and you can see it's actually allowed. And then all you need to do is toggle that switch down. So let me toggle it down right now. So it says mute sites that play sound. Okay, that's now off. So if I go back to YouTube, and you can see my volume is up on my phone. If I play this video, you can see there's an ad and you can hear no music. I can put my volume on full. You can see that the volume is in fact full and there's no sound. And then what I can do is skip the ad, and then now the sound is actually muted for this specific website, the YouTube website. Okay, so that's how you can do that. So if this helped you out, drop a like onto this video and I'll see you in the next one.